Review 1. 3D printing. Imagination is the only limit. Imagine a printer capable of creating three-dimensional objects, such as artificial limbs, coral reefs, and even buildings. Many might consider it ridiculous to dream of such machines. But with 3D printing, which makes use of computer designs and layers of material to create countless useful objects, it's already a reality.
3D printed limbs, body parts that don't cost an arm and a leg. When Alex Pring was born in Florida, without most of his right arm, it seemed that his life would never be like that of other children. However, Alex's life changed when engineering students at a university in the U.S. collaborated to give him a hand. They developed a plastic electronic arm equipped with a sensor that would enable Alex to open and close his hand by slightly flexing his biceps muscle. Now, Alex can use both arms to hug his parents. With 3D printing technology, artificial limbs can be produced relatively cheaply, which promises to benefit people like Alex in ways that they never dreamed possible.
Man-made reefs, 3D under the sea. Sea temperatures have risen to an alarming degree because of global warming. Many creatures underneath the surface have suffered as a result, especially due to the decreasing number of coral reefs. These frail and precious underwater structures are home to many sea creatures. If the reefs continue to disappear, the balance of many ecosystems might be destroyed forever. To help protect sea creatures' habitats, a project relying on 3D printing has been launched to create artificial coral reefs in the Caribbean. These reefs are designed to closely match natural reefs, not only in texture, but also in structure. If 3D printed reefs can consistently succeed in attracting sea creatures, it appears that they could help save valuable underwater ecosystems.
Building a brighter future, the 3D printed cities of tomorrow. Erecting new buildings often requires a tremendous amount of labor and time. In order to reduce costs and speed up construction, experts in Dubai created the Office of the Future, the world's first stable and reliable 3D printed office building in 2016. According to reports, it took a huge 3D printer just 17 days to print all the parts for the 250 square meter building, and took workers only 2 days to assemble these individual concrete pieces. 3D printing this unique and modern-looking building required only half the labor and just 1/10 of the time. This achievement has prompted Dubai to use innovative 3D printing technology more in the future. By 2030, 25% of its buildings will be constructed in this way.
Clearly, 3D printing can be tremendously beneficial to humankind and to our planet in numerous ways. To ensure positive change, we simply need to build on the technology we already have and map out a blueprint for the future. Just imagine